We're back to the weird watch world. Today we have another very interesting one on the table. Ticking away. It is a 1930s Rellum pocket watch. And it has an extra feature, Art Deco 1930s, made in Switzerland, of course. Side winding. Now, you don't see these very often, and when you do, they're usually in terrible condition. This one is in really good condition. You know, there's a few blemishes on the dial, but that's not bad. Looks great. I haven't opened it. I don't think I'm going to. I'm afraid I'm going to scratch that nice chrome, original chrome. Very nice. This is one that you get only once. I have seen them before. I tried to win them on auctions, but they were never really in this kind of condition. And this one has a special feature. I will show that to you. Whoops. Ticking away. Tick, 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 tick. It's keeping really good time, too. I haven't wound it up. I don't like to wind old watches like this that are nearly 100 years old, that have been sitting in a drawer for most of their life. I don't like to wind them up all the way because I'm afraid I might overwind them, but yeah. It ran over 24 hours. That's all that's important to me. That's good enough for me. So let's show you that extra special feature.